The observations in Tricot trials. Learn how to make observations in your Tricot trial in 7 simple steps.
I am satisfied with the research process. I had pretty good results from my trial. Also, I have left over a share of the seed, so I can sow it in my own plot, as well as share it with other farmers who are interested.
To see which one has the best growth, to recognise the pests and diseases, to be able to reject a variety too. I really liked that.
Well, friends, we will now learn how to fill out the information in the observation card of the Tricot trials. This is a very important tool because in this card the farmers record all the information from the trials that they evaluated. The first thing we need to do is write down the name of the farmer who's evaluating the trial, as well as the package code which is written on the seed bags. In the card, we need to make sure that every circle is properly filled out. This card consists of 4 steps for the evaluation of 7 important criteria, so we can identify which variety worked best in this trial. The first thing we evaluate is the vigor of the plants. We look at each of the varieties, and this way we decide which is most healthy, which has the best leaf color, and all those aspects that the farmers know very well. The farmer then chooses which of the 3 seems best. For example, if the farmer believes that variety C has the best vigor, they should mark a little C in this circle to the left. And then the same is done for the variety with worst vigor. In the second step, around day 35 to 38 of the trial, we evaluate the plant's growth type. If the farmer is looking for a tall variety and it seems that variety A grows the tallest, then the farmer must mark an A on the left. Then the farmer does the same for the variety with shortest growth and marks that on the right side.
We are now at my plot. This is the Tricot trial. Today we will look at how the plants grow. Here the pods don't touch the ground and the plant has a good height. There aren't many winding shoots. I will mark this one as the best here on my card. That one I will mark as the worst because there were more winding shoots and it grows more sparsely. This one would be the best, and that one is the worst.
Then we evaluate the pests. The farmer needs to decide which is the variety that was least attacked by pests, so we mark it in the corresponding circle. In the same way, we evaluate the most affected variety. And the same goes for the evaluation of diseases. Once the farmer has carefully checked all 3 varieties, the selected letters are marked in the corresponding circles.
Today I will evaluate pests and diseases. The one that was most attacked by diseases is the variety B, because you can see a lot of attack by the bean common virus. As the best, as the most disease-resistant variety, I will mark the variety A. And for the worst, the most attacked one, it's the letter B.
We have arrived at step 3. Now, on the day of harvest, we'll evaluate the yield of each variety. Then, when the grain is hulled, we can observe the color, shape, and size of the beans to evaluate the market value of the varieties. At the end, we evaluate which variety is the best for food and which is the worst.
Welcome to El Barro village. A few days ago, I harvested my Tricot trial. I have hulled it, and today we will look at the weight of the harvest, and also which variety is the best to sell on the market. Now we start with weighing the beans. We will start with letter A and find out which variety has the highest yield. 5 pounds, 1 ounce. The variety that had the highest yield was letter C. You can mark it in the card. For the best, we will mark C. And it was variety A which had lowest yield. Yes, it was A. And these beans are the best to sell in the market. I agree, B really looks best.
For me, the one I liked best was letter B.
Yes, it was very tasty.
Yes, the one that tastes best of all is the variety B.
We have now reached step 4, after the harvest. At this step, the farmer selects which of the 3 varieties is the best all in all, considering all 7 criteria we've evaluated. Also, the farmer can tell which one was the worst overall. After that, we compare all 3 varieties to the local variety which the farmer uses mostly. For example, a farmer usually grows Cuarenteño, so we write the name at this position in the card. And now we compare. Which of these 2 is better, variety Cuarenteño or trial variety C? Eventually, we can answer the question, which of the 3 varieties would you like to plant in the next season?
This is the seed which I harvested from my Tricot trial. I plan to cultivate a plot in the next season, where I will grow this variety to have better production.